This is Gary Davidson, and I had the real estate group here at Castle Law. Closing, it's what we all want to see happen if we're a buyer or seller. So, what are the things that we need to do as a buyer and seller when we get that magical notice from the attorney that says that the closing has been scheduled? As a buyer, you're going to want to make sure that you bring a copy of your driver's license or the original or passport to the closing. You're also going to want to obtain wiring instructions from the title company and from your lender and wire the amount of money required for the closing. Now, make sure that any wire instructions you receive from a party that you know, and if it comes via email, that's encrypted. You also are going to want to ensure that you verify with the title company the wiring instructions. Too often we see where people are wiring money and it's actually to a fraudulent account. So be very, very diligent on that. For your sellers, once you're at prior to the closing, the property has to be in room clean, immaculate condition. It's extremely important that you recognize everybody underestimates the time it takes to move. So when the closing gets set, if the closing is set at 1 p.m., the buyer is going to be conducting a walkthrough that morning. So you need to make sure that you're still not in the process of moving out and that property is in broom clean condition. That means the refrigerator's cleaned out, the countertops are clean, and there's no damages to the property. For a buyer, you're going to want to be conducting a walkthrough inspection to verify that the property is in the same condition from when you made that offer. Those are some steps with respect to the closing. If you have any other questions, please contact us here at Castle Law, where we'll help you get from contract to closing quickly.